Hello guys, welcome back to Review Valley. Previously I made a small video about Poco M2 Pro. Right now I'm going to give you brief details about the Poco M2 Pro complete specifications. Like it comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, 2x Gold, 2.3 GHz and 6x Silver, 1.8 GHz Android 618 750 mAh processor, and it comes with three variants. Like one is 4 GB and 64 GB and 6 GB to 64 GB and 6 GB to 120 GB internal memory and RAM. Like you can expand up to 512 X storage. It comes with a 5000 mAh type battery, like a 30 watts fast charging in box. Like it comes with a charger, and it comes with a 16 megapixel front camera and super pixel to take great pictures and video quality, and dual air rear camera and dual pixel art. It comes with a three colors. One is two, like two shades of black. We can two top side one shade and like a slightly shade, and bottom side we have two shades in out of the blue. In every color we have two shades, but my favorite color is this green. Is look great in this moment. And coming to a processor, it's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor, already 2x Gold and 2.3 GHz plus 6x Silver, 1.8 GHz for Android 6.1 752. For by this Android 6.1 is for better gaming experience. We need to have 618 750 MHz spread for smoother gaming experience. And coming to all the available storage, like 664 GB and 464 GB and 128 GB. And coming to the battery life, is comes with 5000 mAh battery, 3 watts fast charging in box. Like it comes with a battery charger like USB Type C, reversible connected port. You can reversible connection port, like you can charge two mobiles with the same thing. Built-in rechargeable battery life. Like dimensions, like a standard dimension, like a 16.75 mm, like width is 6.68 mm, thickness is 8.8 mm, weight 209. And camera, coming with a camera, quad rear camera has 48 megapixel 1.6 ultra megapixel 4-in-1 6 pixel lens, f1.7 and 5 megapixel, and one more. Previously I didn't mention about camera, like it comes with a 48 megapixel, like it comes with a 1.6 ultra megapixel 4-in-1 lens and one 6p lens and f1.79 picture quality, like for that. And secondary camera, like a 5 megapixel macro camera. It comes with a f aperture like 2. And f2.4 AF 2.10 centimeters lens rate, and third camera 8 megapixel ultra wide 1.12 ultra megapixel, like f2.2 aperture quality. You can take all in 119 degrees FOV wide angle photos, like in 2 megapixels depth sensor for quality photos, like 1.7 ultra megapixel and f2.4 aperture. Some more things about camera, like quad rear camera, like now I'll tell front camera. Like front camera, it comes with a 16 megapixel front camera, portrait mode, detect of 10 different sensors like selfie timer, face recognition, night mode, front history, short videos. And coming to our quad rear cameras, like portrait mode with a background blurring, dual pixel autofocus, single tone flash, low light enhancement, HDR imaging, panorama mode, burst mode, face recognition, AI beautification, EAS for video shooting, and AI direction for some more shooting. And it comes with AI screen detection, detects 25 categories of objects and up to 206 different screens in their specific scenes, AI optimization. And one more main feature is this mobile comes with a 4K video recording, like 30 fps, 110 is 30 fps, 20 and 720 fps is got 30 fps. Slow motion video can capture like 720 pixel, 240 pixel, 1080 pixel, and 240 pixel. And one more is it has a face unlock feature, like you can unlock your mobile with your face, and fingerprints unlock. You can side mount your fingerprint to unlock your mobile. And coming to display dimensions, like 16.94 centimeters, like 6 second full HD plus display. It comes to 2400 1002:9 full HD, and comes with T95 PPA LCD contact ratio of. These are the some of the features, like a display feature. And someone look at sunlight display, night display, reading mode, color temper adjustment, temperature adjustment, support standard display. And coming to a display, like a network connectivity comes with a dual SIM, like a nano SIM plus micro SIM. We can at the time we can place 3 cards, 2 SIM cards, and 1 memory card. And it comes with a network band like GSM, WCDM, and TD, FTD. Like you can connect 2G, 3G, and 4G, WCD, like VoLTE LTE also. And connectivity is like suppose like suppose 2.4G Wi-Fi support, like 5G so Wi-Fi support Wi-Fi direct, like a Wi-Fi 2x MIMO technology. Suppose you may support Wi-Fi display, like support Bluetooth 6.0, and suppose some audio codec ports. Comes with a USB Type-C charging port. It has a 3.5 audio port for using mobile charge for listening the music to connect your earphones. Navigation position, like it has GPS, Navic, GLONASS, and these are basic features for nowadays every mobile has in these features, like sensor like proximity sensor, vibration sensor, gyroscope, hall sensor, accelerometer, and ambient light sensor, and electronic compass. These are the features comes with every mobile. But this is also one more thing for these are most like it could connect like multimedia support, package control. These are the some. It comes with a program to comes with power adapter, USB cable, SIM ejector tool, and warranty card, user guide. These are the basic most important information about the Poco M2 Pro. So I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and share this. To purchase this mobile, check the link description below for more updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be